Find or read reviews that people are talking about DieHard Portable Power Station 300 Watt. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Power capability. The DieHard 300 Watt Portable Power Station is equipped with a 288.6 Wh lithium-ion battery providing 300 watts of continuous AC power with up to 600 Watt peak abilities. Capable of running laptops, lights, fans, small kitchen appliances and more. Portability. Designed to be compact, lightweight, and travel-friendly. Measuring in at 8x6x 6.5 inch and 9.26 pounds, the DieHard 300 Watt Power Station portability is ideal for easy transport and most outdoor activities. Power input. Solar panel 120 watt or 200 watt DieHard portable solar panel, optional, AC, standard wall outlet, DC, car charger. Power output. 5 watt wireless charging pad, 1 AC, 3 USB, 1 USB-C, 2 DC, 1 car charger. Output waveform. Pure sine wave optimized output resulting in a stable and clean power supply that is ideal for powering sensitive electronics without causing any interference or damage. Safety and durability. Weather resistant and built to last, incorporates overcharging, temperature, and low battery protection, safeguarding your devices and the power station itself. Eco-friendly. Embrace sustainable energy with the solar panel's green charging capabilities, reducing reliance on the grid and minimizing your carbon footprint. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.